Hello guys, welcome. It's Kismin from Shumatt, China, and today I will share with you our hard sealing valve assembly for you. And now, please, let's start it. Firstly, let's see the outside package's blue VCING roast bag, and here this is the product SKU. For this valve assembly, the product code is F00RJ02466. Actually, by the way, for this kind of logo, label, packages, etc., or we can support customized service. And now I will open it. Okay, let's see the inside parts. Inside, it is kind of transparent bottles. It can be better avoid some damages during the translation. And inside of it is one layer of the oil paper to wrap it up. Okay, wow, let's see the valve assembly. And for each product, we should might supply with 6 months warranty time. And in this period, if our customers wish to receive the packages, if you are not satisfied with the quality, we can return or exchange. And now let's see the details. Firstly, let's see the valve cap. On the valve cap, here is the coating figures on the groove. And this is the valve rod. High quality with fair price and good after sale service. Okay, so much for today's valve assembly. Let's see you next time. Have a good day.